Hi, could you start by telling us a bit about yourself and your role in your institution and in INGENIUM?
Good afternoon, my name is Corina Cimpanu. I work as a lecturer and researcher at TUIASI. I have a PhD in engineering in the field of computer science and information technology, specialized in multi-objective optimization, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. My teaching is focused on knowledge representation and reasoning and practical applications of AI in engineering and healthcare, also in software project management and programming languages. In the INGENIUM network, I actively contribute to collaborative projects, staff development initiatives, and knowledge exchange, helping to integrate advanced AI techniques into teaching and research across partner institutions.
What did you focus on in your session at the Staff Academy?
My session today focused on how digital health solutions, such as telemedicine, remote monitoring, and electronic health records, can support sustainability goals. Participants explored how project management practices can be used to design healthcare innovations that reduce environmental impact while improving access, efficiency, and quality of care.
Why is this topic something educators should really care about right now?
Healthcare and sustainability are global priorities, while digital transformation is accelerating across all sectors. Educators play a key role in preparing students to design solutions that are not only innovative and technically sound, but also environmentally and socially responsible.
What were the key ideas or takeaways you shared?
Participants learned how to integrate sustainability indicators into project planning, measure impacts such as CO2 reduction and resource savings, manage risks and stakeholders, and use project management tools to develop practical and scalable digital health solutions.
Was there anything that surprised you during the discussion with participants?
Yes, many participants quickly identified sustainability benefits beyond environmental gains, including improved healthcare accessibility, reduced inequalities, and better resource allocation. The diversity of ideas generated in a short time was particularly impressive.
Thinking about the impact, can you give an example of something that has already changed or could realistically change because of this work?
A realistic outcome is the integration of sustainability metrics into student projects and healthcare innovation courses. Participants could also adopt project-based learning activities where students evaluate both technical performance and sustainability impact.
What kind of difference do you think this could make for teaching or even for students' learning?
My workshop promotes interdisciplinary thinking, connecting technology, healthcare, sustainability, and project management. Students develop practical problem-solving skills while learning to assess the broader societal and environmental consequences of their decisions.
Would you say this is more of a small improvement or something that could really transform how we teach and learn? Why?
Well, it has transformative potential because it shifts the focus between teaching isolated technical skills to developing system thinking and responsible innovation. Students learn to design solutions that create value across multiple dimensions, not just technical performance.
And what would need to happen at your institution for these ideas to really take hold?
I really think that curricula should include sustainability-focused projects, interdisciplinary collaboration opportunities, and assessment criteria that recognizes environmental and social impact alongside technical outcomes. Staff development and sharing of good practices would also support adoption.
Do you see potential to share or scale this idea across other INGENIUM universities?
Yes, the workshop format is flexible and can be adapted to different disciplines such as engineering, computer science, business, healthcare, and environmental studies. It aligns well with INGENIUM's goals of innovation, sustainability, and collaborative learning.
What kind of collaboration would help move things forward?
I think that cross-university collaborations involving educators, researchers, students, healthcare professionals, and sustainability experts, would help create shared learning resources, challenge-based projects, and opportunities for international teamwork.
Finally, how would you know this has been successful? How could we actually measure the impact?
Success could be measured through participant feedback, the number of sustainability-focused projects implemented, changes in teaching practices, student engagement levels, and evidence of measurable sustainability outcomes included in the project work.
And to wrap up, what's one key message you'd like to share with colleagues who weren't able to attend?
So, digital innovation and sustainability should not be treated as separate goals. By embedding sustainability into project design and learning activities, educators can help students develop solutions that are both technologically advanced and socially responsible.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.